Less than tittle greater than MOVEUSDT coin. Will the recent consolidation lead to a breakout? Less than tittle greater than 60-minute candlestick chart. Moving averages. Volume analysis. The MOVEUSDT coin's current price of $0.6186 is positioned below the 200-day moving average, signaling a bearish sentiment. Short-term moving averages, including the 20-day and 50-day, show convergence near $0.624 and $0.620, suggesting limited momentum. Trading volume has declined significantly, hovering around 3,416,006, indicating reduced buying pressure. A recent price high of $0.6272 failed to hold due to minimal volume support. If volume increases above 20%, the coin may test resistance near $0.650. A volume breakdown could lead to a retest of the $0.6148 low. Relative Strength Index, RSI, analysis. The RSI for MOVEUSDT stands at 44.03, indicating a neutral to bearish sentiment. Historically, RSI levels near 44 have shown a tendency to decline further unless supported by increased volume. On September 5, when RSI touched a similar value, the coin dropped to $0.603 within 48 hours. The current RSI trajectory, combined with reduced price movement, signals caution for upward momentum. If the RSI dips below 40, a bearish breakdown to $0.610 could occur. Stochastic oscillator analysis. The stochastic oscillator is at 12.05, firmly placing MOVEUSDT in oversold territory. Such levels often precede a minor bounce, provided buying interest returns. On previous occasions, such as August 30, when the stochastic reached similar lows, the price rebounded from $0.605 to $0.640 within 2 days. Traders should watch for a stochastic crossover above 20, which could trigger a short-term recovery to $0.630. Failure to bounce may indicate deeper price weakness. MACD and signal line analysis. The MACD line currently sits at 0.00063, while the signal line is at 0.00235, reflecting a weak bearish divergence. The negative histogram indicates that selling pressure remains dominant, though the gap is narrowing. On August 28, a similar narrowing led to a price increase of 5%. If the MACD crosses above the signal line, MOVEUSDT could target $0.640 resistance. However, a failure to reverse might lead to price stabilization around $0.615. Bollinger Bands analysis. MOVEUSDT's price of $0.6186 sits near the lower Bollinger Band at $0.6126, signaling a potential oversold condition. Historically, such levels have triggered short-term upward moves, particularly when combined with low volume, as seen on September 2. The upper Bollinger Band at $0.6509 acts as immediate resistance. If volatility increases and price breaches the lower band, a decline to $0.6032 becomes likely. Conversely, a move above $0.624 could test the midline near $0.630. Fibonacci retracement analysis. MOVEUSDT is currently trading just above the key Fibonacci level of 100% at $0.6032. The next significant retracement resistance sits at 23.6%, $0.9411, but near-term targets are likely limited to the 50% level of $0.8244. If support at $0.6032 holds, the coin could attempt a gradual recovery. Traders should monitor the retracement midpoint at $0.7721 for a potential reversal area. A breach below $0.6032 would invalidate recovery attempts. Daily candlestick chart and volume, 1-year analysis. Over the past year, MOVEUSDT experienced a sharp peak near $1.04 before retracing. The yearly low of $0.603 occurred in August, reflecting significant bearish pressure. Average daily trading volumes have stabilized near 3.4 million, with occasional spikes coinciding with failed resistance tests at $0.650. The recent decline in both volume and price suggests an ongoing accumulation phase, though confirmation requires higher trading activity. Candlestick chart and volume, 3-year analysis, MOVEUSDT's long-term trend remains bearish, with significant resistance observed near $1.04 in early 2023. The $0.603 support level has been tested twice, marking it as critical for long-term stability. Over the past 3 years, volume has seen considerable drops, correlating with price declines. If long-term trading volumes do not recover above 5 million, sustained upward movement toward the $0.824 Fibonacci level will remain unlikely. Less than comprehensive analysis greater than MOVEUSDT's current price of $0.6186 reflects a period of consolidation, with multiple indicators signaling oversold conditions. The stochastic oscillator, 12.05, and Bollinger Bands suggest that a short-term bounce is plausible, though volume must increase significantly to sustain any upward movement. RSI remains weak at 44.03, aligning with MACD's bearish signal, which indicates limited momentum. Critical support lies at $0.6032, and a breach below this level would signal further downside risk. However, if volume recovers and price stabilizes above $0.624, MOVEUSDT could test the $0.650 resistance in the near term. Traders should monitor short-term stochastic movements and RSI for any signs of reversal.